Alright, so now we know the name of the bird. This is Rico. Hi Rico. How are you? Hi Rico. Hello.
Hi Rico.
That's cool.
He meows.
Doesn't he?
Yeah.
He meows.
He meows. But he gets nervous when you're paying attention to him.
Oh, just kind of shy.
He is. He'll shiver when you're looking at him.
All right, we'll walk away and see what Rico does.
Yeah.
Those are some cool stairs.
Here.
Yeah.
Meow.
Oh, he does meow.
Meow. He's funny. He likes it when you're not around though.
Hey, Mr. Turtles.